How to make an affiliate marketing website on Wix. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can make an affiliate marketing website on Wix. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Wix, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Wix, it is a cloud-based website development platform that allows users to create a professional-looking websites without needing to write a code, in which Wix also offers an intuitive drag-and-drop editor, customizable templates, and a wide range of features tailored for various users, from small business owners to artists and entrepreneurs. And the platform supports functionalities such as e-commerce, blogging, appointment booking, and SEO tools, making it a comprehensive solution for building and managing online presence. So now to create an account, you can click the link in the description or click the Get Started button on the top right. After signing in, you'll be directed on this homepage or this website on Wix, where it will show you in here the list of your website that you have now been created. So all you need to do is to simply choose here the website that you want to create an affiliate marketing in here. So I'm going to choose, for example, this one. By clicking on it, it will automatically be directed us on a homepage or the dashboard where you can start setting up some of the details. As you can see on the left side panel in here, if you're under the setup section where you can set up payment methods, shipping and delivery, many more. So for example, I'm going to start getting paid by simply clicking on it. It will show you that you can start connecting a payment method that you prefer. Or alternatively, in order to get started on getting paid, just click the settings button below, and after that, just click accept payments. And upon doing so, you'll automatically be directed you in this page where you can firstly enter or select your country or your location. And after that, it will show you a variety of payment method that you can start connecting with your PayPal and even manual payments. But under these payment options, it will show a variety of payment wall, HitPay, online payments by SendIt, and any other methods. So all you need to do is simply choose here the kind of payment methods that you prefer to connect. But now going back on this page, on the home page, to start editing our website, just click the edit site button on the top right in here to proceed. And all you need to do is wait for it to load, then you will be directed on this website in here. So as you can see, this is basically our own website. And now to start, it will show you on the left side panel some of the options to navigate or the editing tools. So you can simply click on it on the left side panel, such as to add elements. But the first thing that we need to do is simply install under this add apps. By clicking on it, we need to install the Wix stores. So just simply go to the search bar and go search in here the Wix stores, in which it is needed for us since we're trying to create here a store or selling some of the products while at the same time doing an affiliate marketing. So you simply search here this Wix stores and it will show you below the result. So you can simply install this, but as you can see, I've already successfully added or installed the application of Wix stores. But if you still haven't, you can simply add it again or click the install button in here. And after successfully installing and setting up your Wix stores, you can now proceed by navigating or installing the application that will help us in our affiliate marketing website. So just search the affiliate word on the search bar, and after that, you should be able to see all of the result and proceed by clicking this affiliate builder. However, as you can see, some of these applications need to have an upgrade account since they only offer a 7-day free trial. So I'm just going to search again another kind of affiliate marketing software or platform. We have here this Wix referral program in here. They offer for free, which is free to install. But as you can see, there's a variety of options in here that you can choose from. I'm going to choose this one. Upon clicking on it, you'll be directed in here and click this add to site button to proceed. But below, it will show you some of the feature it offers of this application. And upon clicking on it, it will show you that it is now currently being added to our website in here, which is the Wix referral program. So all you need to do is wait for it to be successfully fully loaded or added in here, and it will show you that we are now currently under the affiliate marketing page of our website in here. And it says here that get a 25% discount for each friend you refer. And below is the affiliate link or the referral link that can a user or customer use to refer a different friends or invite their friend to use our website. And in exchange, they will be able to receive a discount from us or our store in here. And if you want to start managing it, you can now click the Manage Program button on the top panel in here. By clicking this one, it will show you on the dashboard of this referral program. So as you can see, it is under the current marketing section. So just click Set Up Program button below here. However, it will show you that you need to upgrade to run your referral program. But setting up in here our program, the first thing that you need to do is simply enter here the friends action when the friends referring a customer. So for example, when the friends action is store order place. And in exchange, you could also choose in here below the reward for it, which is the customer reward. We have here coupon or no reward. But I'm going to choose coupon, and here you could also choose the kind of discount. We have here percentage, the specific price, or even free shipping. For the discount, for example, I'm going to enter the reward name as simple, which is invite reward. And after that, below you could also apply it to all products or even specific products in your store, specific category, all services, specific services, and many more. You could also apply it once per order or apply to each eligible item. And for the discount percentage, I'm going to enter, for example, 30%. So it will show you on the right side panel what it looks like. Get a 30% discount for each friend you refer. While below here under referred friend reward, which is this a reward for a newly referred friends. And as you can see, we could also select coupon in here or no reward at all. And I'm going to choose the coupon, and again we're going to enter or select the discount type of free shipping in here instead of percentage. And from here I'm going to enter the reward name new member. You could also apply it to all orders or minimum order subtotal. I'm going to enter the subtotal in here a minimum of 500 pesos. You'd also include here or check this include subscriptions button. Customers will use a reward or the coupon for both one-time purchases and for every recurring purchase. And aside from that, if you scroll down, you could also navigate to automate the email we have here to encourage customers to refer their friends in our stores, to encourage them to refer their friends' bookings and notify customers about their referral rewards. And if you're now done, it will show you in here on the right side panel the referral. However, we cannot start changing or customizing it. And now to start saving it, just click the save button on the top right corner to save the changes. And upon doing so, you should be able to see the result, but you still need to have an upgrade account to run your referral program. So you need to make sure to upgrade now if you want to run your affiliate marketing website in here. So basically, the main purpose of affiliate marketing website in Wix is to simply promote products or services offered by the third-party companies and earn commissions for driving traffic or generating sales through a unique affiliate links. And aside from that, you'd also go to Wix App Market and install the affiliate builder in here, which is also needed. And installing an affiliate builder in here help us because it streamlines the process of managing and displaying affiliate products and links. So from here, we can simply install it or click at the site button and start setting up our account. And after that, you can now start upgrading your account in here, and you're now good to go to run your referral program or affiliate marketing website. But overall, that is just basically how to make an affiliate marketing website on Wix. Thank you.